So welcome again guys. So today we are going to do the review for Red Dead and the Flash 2-pack from McFarlane Toys. So first one we are going to check figure, the Flash. So basically this figure is the same figure from the single, the Flash figure that McFarlane released. So the only difference is the head, and of course the hands. So the single Flash has closed fist and an open palm like this. So, yeah. So basically almost everything's the same, though the only missing thing here is that this Flash here don't have the accessories, not like with the single the Flash figure. So let's do the check. Let's check articulation of the head. So basically this is the movement of the head, and face, so, and a butterfly shoulder articulation, and of course shoulder articulation, the bicep swivel here, and a double jointed elbow, and of course ball jointed arm. So you can move it like this. So the abs and the hip swivel. Of course part here is rubber, so you can post the leg freely without the hindrance of the part here. So of course the knee is double jointed, so you can do ramen pose. And the ankle rocker fit with toe articulation. So basically that's the feature of the Flash. And of course the logo here. Logo here is sculpted. It's very nice, and even the paint is so clean. So the paint is only applied here, here, and mostly the line here and part and in the face. So all in all, this figure is quite nice. So next one. So next one is of course Red Dead. So this figure will complete the Dark Knight metal figure, and of course since I still don't have the Merciless Wave, of course. So let's check the head articulation. So basically this is only the movement it can do. So this part here is sculpted from the head, so it's plastic, so possibility of getting it cheap has higher chance. Of course here this one is a rubber, and shoulder articulation, and a butterfly joint here, and the abs, hip swivel, bicep swivel, and the part here is also sculpted, and double jointed elbow, and this one So I think you can move it, although very little. And a ball jointed arm. And this part here is also a rubber, so you can move the leg. So that's basically the farthest you can go for the legs of Red Dead. And of course, double jointed knee. This part here is sculpted also, very clean paint. And this part here is the paint is a little bit glossy, though not that much glossy. And an ankle rocker feet and toe articulation. So basically that's Red Dead figure, and no other accessories also. The only accessory that comes from this two figure is only this base, the rock base. So and guys, so thank you for watching and have a great day.